Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the trail tags effect in CapCut PC. So I'm going to select the black screen and just going to select text, select default text, and change for duration the same way, change for text. Alright. And just going to change for the font style. Go to animation, select trail, and in or out. I'm just going to select in and out, but I'm just going to split the clip before split, and for the first it's going to go to animation, select in animation, just select trail, and for the second going to select animation again, I select out, select trail again, and change for the duration is full. In animation for the first clip, you can see for the final result like this. Oh, the same, yeah, same. I hope, yeah, so basically I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.